Never feel like your mind is fresh, always stressing to remember everything? If so, GTD might be just what you need to help clear your mind and focus on what truly matters. What is GTD? GTD, short for Getting Things Done, is a time management method by productivity expert David Allen. The core idea is to capture all tasks and ideas from your mind and store them in a reliable external system. This is because, according to the GTD method, our brains are great at thinking, but not so great at remembering. Trying to remember everything leads to stress and anxiety. A reliable external memory system helps you think more clearly, improving your efficiency in both work and life. It's like setting an alarm clock. You don't worry about oversleeping because you trust the alarm to wake you up. Next, let's see how to use TickTick to practice GTD. Before we jump into today's topic, here's a special note. This practical example isn't a complete replication of GTD. Instead, it introduces GTD principles based on TickTick's features. Also, this is just one way to practice GTD in TickTick. It's not the only method out there. Use this as a reference. It might not be perfect for everyone. The key to freeing your mind is thorough capturing, ensuring complete trust in your GTD system so you can engage in more creative activities. Therefore, if you're starting from scratch, do a brain dump in a quiet environment. List all tasks and ideas and add them to your inbox. Besides thoroughness, another key aspect of capturing is timeliness. Record new tasks or ideas as soon as they appear to prevent forgetting or piling up. So if you're already practicing GTD, quickly capture any new ideas. In TickTick, you can capture tasks using email. Or if an idea pops into your head while you're working on your computer, use the global add shortcut to capture it without having to open TickTick, like this. After a day of activities, your inbox may have many ideas, facts, and commitments. It's time to clarify them and turn them into actionable tasks. First, refine the details to ensure clarity during execution. Specify when, with whom, and what to do. For example, turn Call Jack into Call Jack on Wednesday at 10:01 a.m. to discuss the data analysis report. TickTick supports automatic time recognition. You can set times by entering them when naming tasks. For tasks needing multiple reminders or repetition, set their recurrence rules. For complex tasks, use subtasks to break them down into steps. For example, make a YouTube video about GTD can be broken down into gathering materials, designing the cover and title, writing the script, recording the video, editing the video, and publishing the video. Clear steps help you start better and avoid procrastination. Additionally, further refine each task if needed. Record details like important notes, current stage, obstacles, and solutions. If you have many tasks daily, set priority to focus on high-priority tasks quickly. TickTick's priority settings let you categorize tasks as high, medium, low, or no priority based on importance. After clarifying and adding details, move tasks out of your inbox and into the appropriate lists. If you haven't set up lists, organize them according to the GTD system. The core of the GTD system includes inbox, next actions, waiting for, and someday. Next, open your inbox and evaluate each task one by one. Can it be completed in 2 minutes? If yes, handle it immediately. If not, move to the next evaluation. Delegate or handle it yourself? Move delegable tasks to the waiting for list. Tasks that you need to handle yourself should proceed to the next evaluation. Does it have a specific deadline? If yes, set the deadline and move it to the next actions list. If pending, move the task to the someday list. When setting the date, right-click the task or click the date area on the task details page to set the time. Or enable the Show with Calendar and drag the task to the calendar to set the date. Once all tasks are clarified, your inbox will be empty and all tasks will be categorized. A personal tip: based on the existing system, task classification is somewhat limited. If needed, introduce tags like work, personal, family, etc. to label task categories. For specific projects, set subtags under parent tags to label projects for easier searching and browsing. Regularly reviewing your list is key to success. It helps ensure you don't forget added items, preventing important tasks from being overlooked. It also reminds you to delete tasks that no longer need to be on the list, reducing stress from too many tasks. You can review twice daily, once in the morning and once at night. During these reviews, check the status of each list, mark completed tasks, reschedule overdue tasks, and mark abandoned tasks as won't do or move them to the trash. Also, review the inbox and someday lists, adjusting your plans according to any changes. This keeps your mind clear and ready for daily challenges. Once everything is organized, your daily tasks will be readily accessible in the Today Smart List. Customize grouping and sorting options, and tackle tasks one by one according to priority or time. Finally, to boost efficiency, use the built-in Pomodoro timer to implement the Pomodoro technique, helping you focus on the current task. This is a simple demonstration of using TickTick to practice GTD. In actual application, you don't have to strictly follow the steps. Sometimes you can adjust flexibly. For example, capturing, clarifying, and organizing can be combined into one step, directly summarizing ideas into actionable steps, recording them in the correct list, and setting deadlines. In summary, GTD is a time management method worth trying. You may not implement it perfectly, but you'll benefit from it. Whether it's prioritizing tasks or breaking down complex projects, you'll gain valuable insights and might even internalize them as instincts. So why not give it a try now?